of differences that stays between you and me. Only once if you be. That what is me. That what is not in you but in me. The difference stays in you that I see, even if you like a sandstorm and the thirst, or even in 200th of degrees, the rise in no temperature, or grooves in the depth of seas, or loss in no poles, or you feel that senses, or disconnected knowing east and west, or if extreme pain and numbness. Or if you feel the dark or keep the bubblings of imagination, or eternally leaves the bliss or love shade or streams or the screams of the streams or canals, or drops or deluge or drought or desire or fire or sin or hell. But even if you live, I'll live with you. Or if you leave, I'll come with you. And if you fly, I'll be your wings, and if you panic, I will be your skin. If you stay, I'll be your earth. I'll join all my pieces to fulfill you, and then I'll smudge, fade, and disappear forever. But if you like that all I set for you, all that opposes me to my thought, and all that you admire for your pleasures, that you will be my pleasures too. All that you like again, I'll like them too. All that you hate, I'll hate them twice. But only if you be my bliss, but only if you be my wills. But only if you be my side, my half, or an alphabet in my name, or a part of me, or a part in me. This only if you be the same as me. This only if you be the same as me.